The Italian Riviera is not short of its rugged coastlines or the romantic towns and villages. The 5 fishing communities of the Cinque Terre are its most iconic highlights. It's me Himangshu, and if you're new here, I would like to welcome you to Ramble and Curry and request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon. For the returning viewers, I would like to thank for trusting the channel and watching this video. It'll be greatly appreciated if you can like, share and comment on the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Right after breakfast, we headed to Florence train station, which is known as Firenze Santa Maria Novella station, and got the train tickets for La Spezia Central. It's 2.5 hours journey, which is around 200 kilometers. The Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, is a coastal area within Liguria in the northwest part of Italy. The Cinque Terre are one of the most uncontaminated areas in the Mediterranean Sea. 5 miles of rocky coast among 2 promontories, thousands of kilometers of dry laid stone walls, 5 small towns castled up on stone spurs in minuscule creek. For their history and their position, the Cinque Terre have not suffered a massive expansion. The vineyards typical of this area have contributed to create a unique landscape. After waiting in the restaurant queue for more than half an hour, we got a table, which had the best view of the beach. In terms of food, it's very difficult to beat Italian food, especially the caprese salad, as the freshness of the tomatoes, mixed leaves, basil, fresh mozzarella, olives, and capers is incomparable. Not only sea, but the Cinque Terre also offers beautiful footpaths with breathtaking views, churches and old castles, food and wine of first quality. Cinque Terre comprises of 5 villages: Montreso, Varnezza, Corniglia, Monrole and Riomaggiore. The coastline, the 5 villages, and the surrounding hillsides are all part of Cinque Terre National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cinque Terre is mentioned in documents dating to the 11th century. Montreso and Varnezza were first settled and other villages grew later. Whistle within the territories of the Republic of Guyana. In the 16th century, the inhabitants reinforced existing forts and built new defense towers to defend the area from attack of the Turks. Access to Cinque Terre by car is limited. The best way to travel between the villages is by train. Train runs from La Piazza to all 5 towns within Cinque Terre, as well as the major regional and national destinations. A very interesting fact, in 2013, Cinque Terre was one of the shooting locations of the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. I hope you're enjoying the video, and if so, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. Also follow me on Instagram to get more updates. After spending a beautiful and marvelous day in Cinque Terre, we headed back to Florence by train.